This week I will share one of the Japanese superfoods that you may not have heard of, kinako. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko from Arigato Wellness and it's time for Massage Monday. When people think of Japanese superfoods, they usually think matcha or miso. So this week I will introduce another Japanese superfood that people outside of Japan may have never heard of. It's called kinako. Kinako is simply roasted soybeans ground into fine powder. That's it. Growing up in Japan, we used to sprinkle this over mochi and other traditional sweets. But what I didn't know as a child was that this humble powder is packed with nutrition and so many health benefits. Kinako is rich in dietary fiber, which helps support regular bowel movements and digestive health. 1 tablespoon of kinako, which is about 7 grams, provides roughly 1 gram of dietary fiber. It also contains soybean oligosaccharides, which act as food for beneficial gut bacteria. In other words, kinako doesn't just feed you, it helps feed the good bacteria in your gut as well. And since scientists now recognize that gut health plays an important role in overall wellness, this is one reason why kinako deserves more attention. Kinako is naturally rich in protein and fiber while being relatively low in sugar. This combination helps you feel fuller longer and may help reduce rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals. That's why adding a spoonful of kinako to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothie can be a simple way to make your meal more satisfying. Kinako contains plant-based proteins, iron, calcium, and beneficial plant compounds called isoflavones. These nutrients help support muscle maintenance, bone health, and overall wellness as we age. Many studies suggest that regularly eating soy foods may also help support healthy cholesterol levels and heart health. Since kinako is made by roasting and grinding the whole soybean, it's packed with nutrients compared to soy milk. Here is a comparison chart between kinako and soy milk. As you can see, kinako has way more concentration of nutrients. About 10 times more for calories, protein, total fat, and carbohydrates. Kinako has almost 20 times more dietary fiber than soy milk. One of the easiest and healthiest way to enjoy kinako is with plain yogurt. This combination is especially good because yogurt provides beneficial probiotics, while kinako provides fiber and soybean oligosaccharides that help feed those beneficial bacteria. Together, they create a wonderful combination for supporting gut health. I simply add 1 tablespoon of kinako to plain yogurt and top it with berries or sliced fruit, and pour some arskoso, my go-to Japanese enzyme. It's delicious, satisfying, and takes less than 1 minute to prepare. Another way I like is to put it in coffee with cinnamon. Other easy ways to enjoy kinako include adding it to smoothies, mixing it into overnight oats or oatmeal, putting it on a toast with honey, stirring it into warm soy milk, sprinkling it over mochi. While kinako can be a nutritious addition to your diet, it isn't for everyone. If you have soy allergy, you should avoid kinako because this is made entirely from soybeans. Because kinako is high in fiber, eating too much at once may cause bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort for some people. Kinako is also calorie dense, as you can see in this chart, so it's best enjoyed as part of a balanced diet rather than sprinkled on everything. For these reasons, you should limit the kinako intake to about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. And as always, if you have medical conditions, please consult your healthcare providers before you make significant dietary changes. Remember, kinako is not a medicine. Think of it as a small piece of an overall healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell. Make it a great week.